Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I have brought the best tool for you by which you can optimize the Windows 11 and 10 PC, and every user should use this tool. This is from the Microsoft directly, so simply we can find it out from the Google Chrome as well as in the Microsoft Store. So let's open the Google Chrome, and the tool name is WinToy. This is the popular tool of the Windows. Once you select here the WinToy, you will see its link here. Just select that, and you can see you will get this app into the two options. First is the Microsoft Store, and second one is directly from here. So just click on directly from here. This is the official source of the Microsoft. So once it is downloaded, just run its exe from here. Simply run it. Starting download. Now once this is installed successfully, it will give you all the information of your system, and you can see the some services here. Just click on them and simply close this. And once you have closed this, you need to go to this options which says app. That should be like this. Now you can see all the options here: apps, processes, services, space cleaned, and lot of other options, but we're interested in the apps. And once you go to apps, you should able to uninstall all the apps. It is scanning for some time. Now you can see all the apps listed in your inside your system. You can simply uninstall them directly from here like this. So this is the first feature of this WinToy app. You can uninstall any apps from here. And let's move on to the services. Once you go to services, you can make a filter on it: the running services, stop services, automatic services, and you can tweak some settings as well from here. Like you can start the service and you can disable it manually. Now let's move on to the performance tab here. Okay, this is very powerful. As you can see here, ultimate plan, you can also enable it directly from here. It will launch the control panel directly, and you can choose a plan accordingly. Virtualization based security, this is on, but it's up to you. Startup apps, you can set your system startup apps to the normal, and you can disable them by launching them automatically. You can see here these are enabled. Power BI, Xbox, background apps, and this will boost up your system performance. Delivery optimization, and let's close this. Now let's go to the relaunch apps. Make sure you disable this. Background apps should be disabled. Activity history should be disabled. Visual settings, let's adjust your system for the best performance. You can tweak some settings here. I have already done the custom setting in my Windows. So we can also do the best setting. Transparency is on. Search indexing, I have turned it off. Delivery optimization, I have turned it off also. Network and adapter processes, so let's make it enable. Let's close this also. Now let's move on to the gaming settings. So if you use the gaming mode here, you can disable it and you can turn it off, and the background recording should be off here. Superfetch is off also. Search indexing, this is also off. Delivery optimization, it is also off. And let me close this. Now let's move on to the tweak setting here. You can also look for health. Fast startup is off here. If it is on, you need to turn it off. Hibernation should be on. Drive optimization should be on here. You can see here, you can also change the setting here, weekly or the monthly basis or daily basis. Storage sense should be on. The best tool of this tool is repair the Windows PC. If you are facing any kind of issues, it will run these three commands. These three commands are very powerful. Let me scan the PC here. As you can see here, it will scan the PC and also give you the result and repair the Windows files, as well as if you are facing other issues, it will also fix it. Memory diagnostic, clean up system. If I open this, I will get lot of options here. You can delete the junk files here which are running inside our system, temporary files, Windows update, error files, defender files. You can select all of them and simply delete them. You can also clean the DNS, Microsoft Store cache. You can see File Explorer will be cleared. Taskbar, now system update is default, but you can set this disable or manual, it's up to you, or the security. So it's recommended to keep this default here so that you will get the latest Windows update. App update should be on as well. And graphic driver, now it's done from here. Now from the health section, let's move on to the tweaks. Now this is also very powerful. Click on desktop, and from here you can optimize the system, how many items is showing up inside our system. Show the icon labels, show desktop, classic menu, wallpaper quality. Let's minimize this. Let's go to the start menu, Bing search result, let's turn it off. Auto install suggestion, let's turn it off. File Explorer, show file extension, this should be on. Show hidden and system items, it's up to you, it will show the hidden files and folders. Show file and extension is complete. Show preview pane for files, let's open this also. Recycle bin in the navigation pane. Sync notification, let's minimize this. Now go to privacy, and inside privacy, location should be off, telemetry should be off, customer experience improvement should be off, apps telemetry should be off, app launching tracking, let's turn it off also. Personalizing inking type, it should be off. Error reporting should be on. Camera and lock screen, let it default the on. and let's minimize it. Let's come over to ads, tailored experiences, let's turn it off. Advertisements, turn it off. Suggestion content and setting, turn it off. Suggested notification, let's turn it off also. Lock screen, fun facts, tips and tricks, let's turn it off. Windows tips and suggestions, Windows welcome screen, let's leave it default. Finish setting up your device, let's leave it defaults. Come over to system, clock with seconds, it's up to you. It will also show the seconds on our system. If I turn it off, it will not show. Clipboard history, let's turn it on also. Clipboard history, when you press Windows plus R key and the run commands opens. Snipping with the print key, let's turn it on. Feedback notification, let's turn it off. Game mode, it's up to you. If you want to enable this option, it's up to you. Alt plus tab includes alt tab. User control, not. Spotlight images, you can also reboot your system. You can also open the system settings here. Themes, landing page, shortcut, error reporting. So this is all about the Windows, guys. Just install it and you will enjoy this app on your system. This will also boost the system performance, and every Windows user should keep this app. So I hope that, guys, this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.